I'm Adam Byrne from Byrne Automotive. I'm a mechanical workshop associated with ACCIONA, doing their servicing on their work vehicles. I'm always happy for anybody to come in and have a chat if they're worried about their vehicle. Having this business is always, like it says, it gives an opportunity down the track, and because it's established, it certainly gave me an opportunity to carry it on without having the difficulties of starting your own business. So as far as the dropping off and picking up of the vehicles from the ACCIONA staff, in the mornings the vehicles are usually here, so I don't actually see them, but in the afternoon they're always in, always happy to have a quick chat about the vehicle and what's going on, and yeah, they're always happy when they leave. As far as productivity with the vehicles through ACCIONA, it's been fantastic. It's probably been ongoing for maybe 8 to 10 months now, and yeah, it's been great as far as my business has been concerned, and we certainly appreciate further involvement.